meditasi, saya menyadari bahwa waktu saya meditasi, saya sering melihat jam. Jadi sebelum meditasi saya lihat jam. Saya biasa lihatnya hanya di bagian menitnya, karena saya sudah meditasi, saya juga melihat jam, karena saya ingin tahu saya meditasinya berapa lama. Seakan-akan saya punya target. Kalau misalnya 45 menit baik, kalau kurang saya kurang baik. Sehingga ini menjadikan kebiasaan saya. Dan kadang-kadang saya sudah lihat jam, saya meditasi per 4 jam, saya lupa, saya pikir tadi di menit berapa ya, seperti orang lupa udah sikat gigi atau belum. Karena saya merasa ini kan suatu kelekatan untuk saya. Tapi saya pakai ini sebagai opportunity untuk saya menyadari setiap kali saya melihat jam, saya benar-benar melihat jam, bukan sesuatu hanya kebiasaan saja. Itu satu contoh dalam meditasi. Terus contoh yang lain, kalau saya tidur, saya juga suka melihat jam. Jadi kalau saya terbangun, saya lihat saya baru tidur 2 jam ini, dan besokannya misalnya saya tidur kurang dari beberapa jam, saya rasa badan saya perlu, saya sering merasa sakit.
Kalau kurang?
Kalau kurang. Apakah itu sebetulnya main saya saja memberitahu saya itu atau apa? Karena ada 2 hari pertama saya di sini, saya bisa dengar dengan jelas gong waktu jam 4 pagi. Tapi ada hari yang ketiga sama keempat, saya itu karena kurang bisa tidur, saya bangun, saya meditasi, bangun, meditasi. Dan jam itu karena mengganggu dekat saya taruh di atas jam. Di situ saya terbangun dan sama sekali saya nggak mendengar gong, padahal saya orangnya tuh light sleep gitu, saya gampang terbangun. Mungkin pertanyaan saya, apakah dengan jam itu saya singkirkan sehingga saya tidak terlalu touch lagi kepada waktu, itu bikin saya lebih tenang.
This is about time. When she meditates, usually she start meditation, you look at the watch, and then says the target.
Yes.
What time is it?
1 hour, 2 hours.
So just become a habit. Sometimes in the middle of the meditation, she thinks about it. What time is the starting? And then she thinks about it.
But this is not important. Time, don't fix the time. Sometimes depend on the situation, you can continue practice. Because you need to practice all the time. If you're sitting after walking muscle, you need practice, right? Depend on your situation. In daily life, you cannot fix. If you're free, or with no problem, in 1 hour, it's okay. But don't too much thinking for the time.
What happened to me was it becomes a habit that
Yeah.
sometimes I was not aware. Just when I start meditation, I just look at the watch, and
No
in the middle I
problem. That's
forgot.
no problem.
Yeah.
That's no problem. This is not the problem.
Jadi jawabannya adalah jangan tergantung pada waktu. Karena itu lamanya meditasi itu tergantung daripada hati kita sendiri. Kadang-kadang bisa lama, kadang-kadang tidak terlalu lama. Gitu. Jangan terlalu tergantung pada waktu, pada target. Itu satu. Yang kedua, tentang tidur. Ya. Tentang tidur adalah the second thing that when she sleeps at night,
I have a habit also when I sleep at night. I always look at the clock, and so I fall asleep. And when I wake up, I look at the clock again. And when I think my mind think I didn't have enough sleep, I will feel sick.
Yes.
And then,
Why you too much to watch clock too much? Because anxiety.
yeah.
You have your idea. If you complete all this idea, if you not get it, what you want, then you problem.
So
Because of your idea. Your idea is you should be sleep that much. Otherwise, if you cannot sleep like this, the whole day your problem is it.
yeah, and then I have an experience that third day, I couldn't really sleep, so then I was waking up and waking up and waking so because my watch was near me, so I put it away. And then I fell asleep. The next thing I knew, hit the ground.
Yeah.
Usually it was very loud and very like super,
Yeah.
and I didn't hear it. So is that because I put it away and then
Yeah. You
I
forget.
touch
You have no
it.
idea. Yeah. Not thinking about the sound. No. No problem. More sleep.
I want to share my experience.
Okay.
Yesterday, I recognized that when I do something, it becomes slower, but actually it's not.
What?
It seems like it becomes slower.
Slower.
Yeah. Like I
And
do
not
like
actually
something,
not that.
but actually it's not. It may be for 5 seconds I recognize that.
Okay. If your awareness becomes strong, very strong, first, its speed becomes slower. You think, but speed is normally they do their job. Sometimes you think time is fast, sometimes it's long, short. This is the main thing. It depends on your awareness faster, then speed is slower. But actually they are not slower, they do their job. Before your awareness is weak, they are faster. Speed is faster. Now awareness better and better, this speed becomes slower. But this is you think. Your the right thing.
And the other experience is I can see my mind creates the future.
The mind create
Yeah, the mind creates story
story, yeah.
in the future,
Right.
and then I know it makes fears,
Yeah.
and the other side, it wants to protect itself.
Right. Yeah. Good. Whatever.
So I saw that this mind wants to protect me, and I use this mind to survive in my daily activities.
Yes. Right.
While on the other hand, if I didn't realize or I didn't aware, it would be it would create fears.
Yes. Right.
So, is it okay if the mind do its job
Right.
to protect
Yes.
itself? But one thing that I have to be aware is about the emotion that
Yes. You are aware that this nature, that's enough. Let the mind if you do their job, you just walk it alone. When you slowly understand this is necessary, continue. Not necessary, let go. Change another idea, right? First, we need to know any mind activity, your behavior, what the mind is doing this, how the mind doing. You first need to know the process. Okay.
And yesterday also the emotion comes up and I can see them slower, faster than before.
Okay.
And one thing that I want to ask is about free choice.
Free choice.
Yeah. You said that if we become aware often, so
Open.
often.
Often.
We often aware.
Okay.
And then we have a choice to make a decision. It means that if we practice this awareness continuously, so we have control of our decision.
Yes. Yeah.
Maybe for doing something or to feel
Right.
that thing.
Yeah. You can choice. You can choice. You know before you doing the intention come, idea come, you know it's not forming yet. Then you can choice.
But
And also you can think how to do better and better. Right.
it's different compared with if the mind has its choice. So what I mean is if I don't
If my choice, you can aware this my choice. What mind? That's all. What motivation? Definement or wisdom? Right? If you wisdom, just follow. The definement that we need to learn. Check, right? Just see the process. Slowly, in many times you see that slowly you can understand how to do better and better.